How many periods and groups are present in the periodic table? Option A 7 periods and 18 groups. Option B 8 periods and 7 groups. Option C 7 periods and 7 groups. Option D 8 periods and 8 groups. Which of the following forms the basis of modern periodic table? Option A atomic mass. Option B atomic number. Option C number of nucleons. Option D all of these. What happens to the electropositive character of elements on moving from left to right in a periodic table? Option A increase. Option B decrease. Option C first increases and then decreases. Option D first decreases and then increases. The electronic configuration of an element M is 284. In modern periodic table, the element M is placed in dash. Option A fourth group. Option B second group. Option C 14th group. Option D 18th group. Which of the following is the correct order of the atomic radii of the elements oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen? What is the other name for group 18th elements? Option A noble gases. Option B alkali metals. Option C alkali earth metals. Option D halogens. Which of the following is the most reactive element of the group 17th? Option A oxygen. Option B sodium. Option C fluorine. Option D magnesium. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the elements were arranged in the periodic table in order of dash. Option A increasing atomic number. Option B decreasing atomic number. Option C increasing atomic masses. Option D decreasing atomic masses. Which group elements are called transition metals? Option A group number 1 to 2. Option B group number 13 to 18. Option C group number 3 to 12. Option D group number 1 to 8. Which of the following elements has two shells and both are completely filled? Option A helium. Option B neon. Option C, calcium. Option D, boron. In Mendeleev's periodic table, gaps were left for the elements to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found a place in the periodic table later? Option A, germanium. Option B, chlorine. Option C, oxygen. Option D, silicon. Which of the following elements will form an acidic oxide? Option A, an element with atomic number 7. Option B, an element with atomic number 3. Option C, an element with atomic number 12. And option number D, an element with atomic number 19. Which of the following does not decrease while moving down the group of the periodic table? Option A, radius. Option B, metallic character. Option C, number of shells in the atom. Option D, valence electrons. An element X belongs to the third period and first group of the periodic table. What is the number of valence electrons in its atom? Option A, 1. Option B, 3. Option C, 6. Option D, 8. An element M is in group 13 of the periodic table. The formula for its oxide is dash. Option A, MO. Option B, M2O3. Option C, M3O2. Option D, none of these. Which of the following is the outermost shell for elements of period 2? Option A, K shell. Option B, L shell. Option B, M shell. Option D, N shell. Arrange the following elements in the order of their decreasing metallic character: sodium, silicon, chlorine, magnesium, aluminium. Arrange the following elements in the order of their increasing non-metallic character: lithium, oxygen, carbon, beryllium, fluorine. Three elements, boron, silicon and germanium, are dash. Option A, metals. Option B, non-metals. Option C, metalloids. Option D, metals, non-metals and metalloids respectively. Which one of the following depicts the correct representation of the atomic radius r of an atom? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 3 and 4, option D 1 and 4th.